Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide and show notifications on lock screen on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on privacy. Now just scroll down and tap on notifications on lock screen. And from here, if you select don't show notifications at all, the notifications of your smartphone will not appear on your lock screen. And if you tap on notifications on lock screen and if you select show all notification contents, you can see your notifications on your lock screen. And this is how you can hide or show notifications on lock screen on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.